Hi everyone, good afternoon. It's Saturday. It's June 1st. Happy new first day of the month. Hope everyone is having a lovely Saturday. And since it is a new day and it's a new month, you have a chance, another chance to set your goals and to put it into action. Well, for those who don't know me yet, my name is Roselle, and I'm live here on my personal page. So at the moment I'm here walking. This is my regular routine. So I'll just show you where I'm at. So people here are doing some sports. So I think that one is cricket. Yeah. So thank you for... Hi, my dear son. Thanks for watching. Oh my. So they're watching cricket since this ground is a sports area. So every building has its own specific sports that they are doing. There are building for gymnastic or swimming. There is also one for special Olympics, like, do you know those people who are disabled? There's archery, and plenty, a lot more sports in here. So you you want to eat something, Kirsten? There's a pancit in there at home. You should have joined us here. This is a lovely weather here, guys. It's not really sunny. It is quite cloudy and there's a cool wind in here. That's why it's really good to walk. So the reason why I walked, but sometimes it's not regularly, because the weather is quite bad for the past few days. That's why I just at home and just do some exercise at home, like the one we have at home. It is called elliptical trainer. So I use it, and I have a hula hoop and we have a jumping rope. So there's no excuse. If you really want to get fit and healthy, we need to take action. We need to do something, because good health is our real wealth. Does anyone agree? Because if we got sick, it is really hard to go back to your daily routine, because you still feel weak. So it's better to prevent sickness than getting sick. So we need to be disciplined, eat healthy foods, and stay and get some exercise regularly. So my husband is also here. He was running earlier, but he decided to play a little bit of basketball. And now I saw him in the exercise equipment in there. Can you see him? Yeah. Yeah, that's him. Oh, look at what he's doing, my goodness. Oh my. So guys, I hope you are enjoying your day, relaxing or doing some things that you love doing and spending quality time with your family. And thanks for watching, and for those who are going to watch the replay, kindly comment below where you are watching from and what's your favorite form of exercise. So, bye guys. Have a lovely weekend ahead. Bye.